The Cripple Concepts USB turbocharger comes in two varieties. We have the 90-degree version and we have the straight version. The actual electronics are the same in either case. They're in a small electronics box, USB-A type connector output. The difference is the straight connector will work on pretty much any power chair or scooter. The 90-degree version requires that your charge port is in a position that the 3 pins will clock this correctly and not point up into your joystick housing or out to the side. So you have to pay attention. If you're unsure, you can always send us a picture at sales@crippleconcepts.com of your charge port, and we'll try to give you some advisement on what is the best for your chair. Or you can always just go with the standard straight connector and be sure that you'll be able to use it on any device. This just sticks out slightly farther than the 90-degree version. That's the difference. They have a convenient lanyard on them, so you can pick them up by their lanyard. These will charge any device that uses a USB charging cable. Unlike our standard chargers, which will only charge 5 volts at 2 amps, these will charge 5 volts, 9 volts, or 12 volts. So for devices that have a USB Type-C charge port, that's this oval connector that you see here. For devices that use that charging protocol, or that charging connector, they use a protocol that will allow them to charge at higher voltage if the battery is lower. So these will charge those devices faster. They'll also charge devices that don't take 9 volts or 12 volts. There's a smart chip in these that will tell the charger whether or not the device that they're charging can actually handle the higher voltage. These are simple enough to use. You just plug them into the 3-pin charging connector on your wheelchair or scooter. So on mine, it's here in the armrest. There you go, plugged in. And then simply plug a device into the USB-A charge port there, and it will charge. For your devices that can do the 9 volt or 12 volt charging protocols, you'll probably get an indication on the screen, something around turbocharger or rapid charger connected. For your other devices, it will just charge like normal. These come with a zippered case, as well as a USB cable. You can choose either the USB-C, which is what devices we recommend this for, or you can get it with a micro USB or a USB to Apple Turbo or Apple Lightning connector, and it'll charge all those devices. So this is the Cripple Concepts turbocharger. I also recommend you to check out the video on the Cripple Concepts standard charger. Those will work just as well. They're a lot smaller and are a little less expensive than these. These do cost more because the components inside of them cost more. So they're just a little bit more money for us to manufacture, and so we have to charge more. So if you're just needing a basic charger to charge anything, recommend you go to the standard chargers. If you're looking for something that will charge the newer phones, the latest and greatest, the turbocharger is probably what you need. Thanks for watching.